Yawning is an automatic reaction of our body. Ever wonder why? It's simple. Your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. When you're sleepy or bored, your brain shouts, "Hey, I need more air." So your mouth opens wide and you take a big gulp of fresh air. That oxygen rushes to your brain, pushing out carbon dioxide. But wait, there's more. Yawning cools your brain too. A deep breath pulls in cooler air, lowering your brain's temperature. And guess what? Yawning is contagious. When one person yawns, others around can't help but follow. It's your brain's mirror neurons saying, "I need a breather too." So when you yawn, you're rebooting and refreshing your brain. Don't hold it back. Yawn away. Your brain will thank you.